Hello everyone, my name is Rasul Mahdavi and in this video I will be talking about artificial intelligence in the hospitality industry. I will discuss the core technology, impact and future recommendations. So artificial intelligence has emerged as a transformative technology that is reshaping various industries including our hospitality and tourism industry. So let's get started with introducing it and discuss about what is AI. Well, AI is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. The concept of AI was introduced by a group of computer scientists in the mid 90s. These pioneers, including John McCarthy, who is considered the father of AI, envisioned machines capable of using language, leveraging neural nets to form concepts and abstractions, functioning automatically and self-improving in complex and changing environment in the same way that humans do. So basically, the idea of artificial intelligence is nothing new, and we can find its roots in 1950s. However, there were other issues like material science issues and its related concepts to make computers and computer parts like with enough computation power that makes the creation of AI possible in large scales. So the scientific part of it has been growing in the past decades, but it was until recently that was introduced to commercial users and private companies. So the core technology that underpins AI capabilities include machine learning or ML, deep learning, natural language processing or NLP, computer vision, and data analytics. We will take a cursory look on all of them. So machine learning, the first one. In the early days of AI, the major challenges was and still is to perform tasks that are easily solved by a human being but hard to describe formally in terms of mathematical rules. So the difficulty in explaining this type of task by defining roles indicated that AI techniques needed the capability to extract patterns from data and to acquire their own knowledge. This is called machine learning, which enables computer-based applications to automatically detect patterns in data and to act without explicitly being programmed. So ML is a subset of AI that enables systems to learn from data and improve their performance over time. So ML in hospitality can be used for example, predicting room occupancy, recommending personalized services to guests, and optimizing pricing strategies based on the demand fluctuations. The second technique is deep learning, which is a type of representation learning that is particularly suited to handling complex data. And it is a technology inspired by how our brains works. It uses virtual brain cells, or they call it neural networks, organized in layers to learn from data. By showing the computer lots of examples, it learns to recognize patterns and make decisions. Basically, the more data it's fed, the better it gets at doing its tasks. So deep learning is used in various applications like image recognition, voice assistants, and self-driving cars, which also, again, contributes to our industry. We also have NLP or natural language processing, which allows machines to understand and generate human language. We have the chatbots, we have the let's say we have ChatGPT and we have the BART, who are the subsidiaries of this technology. So chatbots and virtual assistants powered by this technology are increasingly used in hotels for customer service, reservations, and providing information to guests in the conversational manner. The next one is computer vision. So computer vision technology enables machines to interpret and analyze visual information from, let's say, images and videos. The next and the last one is the data analytics, and it relies on large volumes of data to make predictions and generate insights. So hospitality businesses gather data from various sources such as booking history, guest preferences, and online reviews to better understand the customers and tailor services accordingly. So basically, the more data you can acquire and gather from your customers, the better decisions that you can make using those information. So let's go ahead and see some statistics here. We can see the share of travel companies that implement artificial intelligence strategies worldwide as of September of 2021. And we can see that 67% of companies lack mature AI strategies and the capabilities to operationalize it. So it's a quite a new technology that companies can utilize to get better results. We also have the share of travel companies' revenues that was influenced by artificial intelligence worldwide from 2018 to 2021. With a forecast of 2024, we can see that 32% of companies are predicted to get impacted by the AI in their revenues. We also have the trust of travelers using artificial intelligence. So you can see that 75% goes to accommodation and the rest. So we can here see the use of AI and the share of adults in the United States who are interested in AI-related products as of February 2023. The list was so large, so I kind of kept the ones who were related to our industry. So for example, here you can see the AI-powered flight and hotel recommendations for 41%. AI-generated menu recommendations, AI-powered virtual travel agents and customer supports, AI-generated personalized travel itineraries. So it's quite becoming very useful, and the customers are beginning to, let's say, accept these kind of companies. So we need to realize it's important. So here, so we will be discussing the use of AI in the hospitality industry and where we can utilize the AI in our industry. So since the last decade, the most important part that has been utilized the AI is the revenue management. And the focus of technology-related hospitality and tourism search has shifted here from interactive technologies such as e-commerce and social media to artificial intelligence and AI-related technologies such as big data and service robots. So the reason for this shift is that hospitality and tourism are at an important intellectual turning point in which AI-driven data science, automation, and robotics are penetrating not only the service process, but also businesses, innovation, and strategy. So let's dive deeper into these technologies and study them one by one. So the first one impacted is the revenue management. So AI uses advanced algorithms and data analysis to help hotels and resorts make smarter decisions about pricing and occupancy. So imagine it's like having a super smart assistant that can predict when when demand for rooms will be high or low. So taking into account things like local events and other stuff, it will help the company to let's say maximize its profits and to sell as much as it can. The second one is personalized guest experience. So AI is a game changer when it comes to providing personalized guest experience in hospitality. So the core technology driving this transformation is machine learning. So hotels and resorts are using ML algorithms to analyze guest data, such as their booking history, preferences, and even social media actively to create highly tailored experiences for instance, if a guest frequently requests extra towel or pillows, the hotel can anticipate these needs and have them ready upon their arrival. The next setting is the service robots. So these are rapidly becoming a game changer in the hospitality industry. enhancing guest experience and optimizing operational efficiency. Since next week some of our classmates are going to talk about these, I will not discuss the service robot further, and let's go to the next part, that are chatbots and virtual assistants. So chatbots and virtual assistants are powered by AI and natural language processes, which are transforming the hospitality industry in various ways. These technologies enable hotels and resorts to, let's say, enhance guest interaction and streamline operations. When guests have questions or need assistance, AI chatbots can provide quick and accurate responses all day, all year round, which ensure exceptional customer service. So these virtual assistants can handle routine inquiries like, check-in and check-out, or procedures of restaurants, or recommendations. We also can see its benefit in the security and safety, which helps the companies to use computer vision technology, which monitors and uses surveillance cameras to predict any anomalies and enhance safety. We also have the predictive maintenance. So in the maintenance of facilities and equipment, AI can predict when repairs or maintenances are needed, which reduces downtime and ensures guest satisfaction. Uh, we also have data analysis for insights that we already covered, and it helps hospitality companies to gain insight about their consumer behaviors and preferences and the market trends, which enables more informed decision-making strategies. We also have the language translation services, which use AI, which can break down language barriers. We also have it helping the with housekeeping optimization, and AI can help hotels optimize housekeeping schedules based on the room occupancy, which reduces labor costs and improving service efficiency. So the impact on hospitality industry operations. We already discussed some of the methods that can be used, but there are other ways that AI can help the companies. The first one is the enhanced efficiency, where AI streamlines various operational processes and helps companies to enhance their efficiency. We also have the cost saving, which AI can lead to reduced labor costs as certain tasks are handled by machine or algorithms. So for example, staffing to focus on more complex and guest-centric activities. We also have the inventory management. The AI can help. We have the personalized marketing that we already discussed. It can help with the energy efficiency, and also HR and staff management that we already discussed. We also have challenges for the AI, and the challenges are initial investment, which it requires a lot of money to start with, and it needs a lot of investment in terms of hardware, software, and staffing. So smaller businesses may face financial constraints. We also have privacy concerns, where guest data collected and processed by AI systems can raise privacy concerns. We also have the over-reliance on technology, where relying on technology too much may reduce the human touch and the personalized service that guests experience in the hospitality. We also have the technical issues, where AI systems can encounter technical glitches or failures, which, if not resolved promptly, can disrupt our operations. We also need to discuss the impact on guest experience. So it will help with the personalizations, convenience, efficiency, language assistance, and predictive maintenance. So personalization. First, AI enables hotels to offer highly personalized experience to guests by analyzing their preferences and behavior. We also may use it for the convenience. So AI-powered virtual assistants and chatbots provide guests with 24/7 access to information and services, which increases their convenience. It also helps the efficiency, so faster check-ins and check-outs processes, as well as seamless room service requests through AI. We have also talked about the language assistance that it can help. We can also talk about the predictive maintenance that we already covered. So we have the impact of guest experience, and the downsides of it, which are lack of human interaction, data privacy concerns. We also have the technical issue and the inclusivity. So the lack of human interactions. While automation enhances efficiency, it may also lead to a diminished level of human interactions, which some guests value in hospitality experience. We also have the data privacy concerns, which guests may be concerned about the collection and use of their personal data. We have the technical issues that guests may experience frustration if AI systems fail to function. And we have the inclusivity, which some guests, particularly older individuals or those less familiar with technology, may find it difficult to use these interfaces. So we also have the way that we can, let's say, address these issues. For the privacy part, investing in robust data security and transparency measures will really help when developing clear privacy policies and ensuring that guest data is collected and used ethically and with explicit consent. We also have the human AI collaboration. So striving for a balance between AI-driven automation and human interaction is very important here. So the training staff to complementing AI services by offering a personalized touch and responding to guest emotions and complex needs is very important. We also have technical support, which establishes reliable technical support mechanisms to quickly address AI systems and issues using 24/7 help desk. We can also educate and aware our personnel to be aware of the possible situations and to get ahead of it. And we also have the collaboration with AI providers, where it says the collaborate with AI services, which providers to ensure that AI systems are regularly updated and improved. And we need to keep an eye on emerging AI trends to stay competitive and offer the latest technological advances for the guests. So these are the references that I use to talk about the artificial intelligence in hospitality, and I will be happy to answer any questions that you have. Thank you.